Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Here is a tea time snack for you today. We are going to make Methi Mathis or Mathris. This crunchy snack is best paired with tea, especially masala chai in winters and monsoon season, during the rainy season. Nothing can beat this combination. Biting crunchy Mathris and sipping chai and chit-chatting with friends. So shall we proceed to make these Mathis? Methi Mathis or Mathris, a crispy and crunchy snack that you can enjoy with your masala chai or even chunda. They taste very good with chunda. For this we'll require all-purpose flour 1 cup, which is Maida, whole wheat flour 1 cup, semolina 2 tablespoons, oil for frying, desi ghee or clarified butter 2 to 3 tablespoons, Kasoori Methi 2 tablespoons, crushed carom seeds or Ajwain 3/4 teaspoon. If you are making it in summer, use cumin seeds, and salt to taste. Ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now first we will transfer all the ingredients into a larger mixing bowl or a platter. Add salt, carom seeds, crushed carom seeds, semolina, Kasoori Methi. First mix them all together. Now you can add the ghee or clarified butter. Add it little by little and mix it with your fingers until it resembles crumbs. About 2 to 3 tablespoons go in easily. How to know whether the moin is enough? Moin is the ghee that we add to this. We call it moin in Hindi. So when you press it like this with your fist, it should form into a lump. Then it is the perfect quantity. This is the tip. Taste little bit so that you know the dough is perfect, because later on we cannot add any salt. Matri is something that will not taste good if there is less salt or more salt. It has to be perfect. So now add water little by little. This is normal water, not warm water, and make a dough. Don't add at a time. Now friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and click on the bell icon, choose the all option so that you get all the notifications as soon as I post any new video. Then you can see how I'm adding water several times, little by little, to control the texture and consistency, because we need a stiff dough. We don't want it to become very soft. Now it is ready. Cover it with a cloth and rest it for 1 hour. The resting is very important because all the flavors of methi and ajwain, carom seeds, will be incorporated into the dough by resting. Knead it a bit again and then you can roll out the mathis. Take small portions like marbles. Depending on the size of the mathis you want, some people like to make larger ones, but I like very tiny ones. You can flatten them with your fingers or roll them out. I find rolling easier and quicker. This way with your fingers also you can flatten. Whatever way you like, you can make them. Before frying, prick them with a fork so that they don't puff up like puris. You can roll out about 10 or 12 of them. After resting, you can see that the Kasoori Methi, which is dry, has become fresh. All the flavors are incorporated into the dough. Now heat the oil and reduce the heat. Drop the Mathris into it. The temperature of oil is very important in frying the Mathris. at no stage are you going to make it high. It has to be medium low or very low. Adjust it in between, but never make it very hot, because you'll get brown colored Mathris, which we do not want. They have to have a nice and crispy texture, which can be done only by frying on low flame. So you require a lot of patience for frying Mathris. At regular intervals, keep flipping them. While these are getting fried, you can roll out your second batch. Each batch takes about 5 to 7 minutes. You can play your music and patiently keep frying these Mathris, or you can do some other task in the kitchen like grinding spices side by side, so that you give enough time for them to get crisp. If you just stand in front of the frying pan, you lose patience. Look at this lovely color, and amazingly, when they are ready, they become little heavier and they sink to the bottom of the oil. You can see that there. Beautiful, nice color and texture. You can remove them on the kitchen tissue. Now fry the second batch in the same way. Make sure you cool them very well before you store them in an airtight container. This is a great snack for travels also. You can take them when you are going on a car journey. Nice and crispy Mathis. I love them with masala chai. So friends, make and enjoy these Methi Mathis. When you invite your friends for tea, these make a perfect snack while you are chit-chatting over a cup of tea. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Bye until then. Check out these videos from the archives until then. Bye. Take care.